Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to Saturday Morning Makes with Jill Norwood. This is episode number 13, and welcome to #SparklesInJune with Anna Wight. Also guys, I have a D-stash up. If you're interested, please check it out. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I used and then I'll show you what I made. So I used these Recollections flowers. I actually used quite a bit of flowers. I also used these flowers here. I used a smaller flower of these sparkly ones. They actually look frosted. And then I used two of the pink frosted ones here. And then I used a beautiful butterfly. And these were from Craftsmart, from Michael's. I used a Velcro dot in pink. I used one of these bows from the Paper Studio. I used some paper from the corrugated natural stack from DCWV. I love this stuff. It's so fun to play with. I used some of this paper that I just got from a D-stash. It's first edition Spring Feast. It is beautiful paper. And I used two different dyes. I used this dye that I got in a D-stash. And then I used an oval dye from Stephanie Bernard. And this one is called Dotted Ovals. I used some glossy accents. I used the Wink of Stella in clear. And then I used this cute magnolia stamp. Isn't she adorable? And here is the envelope card I made. I colored her up with Copics. And I did some layering. So what do y'all think? And then if you turn her over, you can open her up. And you put your little card, or your little, you can make a little extra. I didn't do it this time, but usually what I do is I make an extra piece of paper that you slide down in, where you can write your note and your sentiment and stuff on. And then you have a cute little card. And that's how you can use up envelopes. So that was my first project. So for my second project, I used some enamel dots. What did I do with it? I used another white bow. I used these penny black dies, and they're called Elegant Stitching, and they're so pretty. I used the Hero Art Infinity dies, the rectangle ones. Uh-oh. Okay. Scared myself. I used the Club La La Land September 2019 Marcy with Lemons. This one right here, isn't she adorable? So I used her. And then I used this lemon paper here that's from My Reflections Taste of Summer, and it's from Close to My Heart. So I used that paper. And I did some layering of the papers, and I used some Copic colors, And this is what I came up with. I had fun with her. She's so cute. And that's what I did with the inside. I didn't do a sentiment yet. But I think she came out so much fun. So that's that one. And my last one, I couldn't find one of the items that I used. I had a heck of a time finding items today, guys. I was like, my craft room ate stuff. So I used these stickers here, these bees. They are dimensional and they are adorable. I used this honey bee die called Beehive Card. And with it, I used the Honeybee Hive set of 4 stencils. And then I used some Distress Oxides. I used tea dye, and I used scattered straw. And I used the Wink of Stella. I also used this Judith stamp with the bee on it. And I used some flowers, but I can't find them. Those are the ones that I can't find. And this is what I made, and I used Copics to color her. Oh, I forgot to show you the stamp. I used this La La Land Crafts Cute as a Bee Mini Bumblebee Marcy. And this is what I made. And then you open it and it says Happy Birthday. I made it as a birthday card for somebody. Didn't it come out so cute? I just love it. I made her wings sparkle. So thank you guys for watching and stopping by. Love you guys. Bye.